Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Friday, March 6th. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at bonds and follow up really with a setup we've been tracking now for past week or so. Has worked out extremely well and followed through off of last night's members only end of day setup, which was saying it was a short in bonds on a break below 158. So you had two different trade setups here. First one is a high-low reversal on the daily price chart that we had a few days ago. We broke the high of the previous day, then reversed and broke the low of the previous day, and then we followed through very nicely. So your first short opportunity in bonds was all the way up here on a break below 160 and 27.30 seconds. Okay, so all the way up at 160. Right now we're at 155. After that, we came down, and the second entry opportunity was a break of this daily uptrend line here, and that would have been at a break point of 159 and 24.30 seconds. Worked really well so far. It's been coming down again. And then last night on the members only video, we said bonds are short on a break below 158, that was a support. It looked bearish, looked like it was going to, but it needed to break 158, and then you were in the clear to continue to go lower. And then if you were in the trading room, we had a shorts intraday right after non-farm payroll this morning. Worked out really well, and as you can see, bonds have just tanked from there. So from the very first entry, you're talking about being up about $5,000 a contract. Not a bad trade considering that your risk would have only been about $300 a contract. The next target for bonds is going to be the support down at 154 and 16.30 seconds. Once we're through there, though, we're in the clear to keep on moving. And the thing about bonds is if you look at a weekly price chart and look at where we are at, we've actually broken through a longer term weekly trend line here, suggesting this continues to run lower. So once we get through that 154.16, we are in the clear to come all the way down to 149. And then the clear to come all the way down to around 138. So we potentially are at the start of a very big down move here in bonds. This is the most downside momentum we've had for quite a while, for a couple of years at least. So looking for bonds to continue to go down. Nice job for everybody that's in the trading room, or all the Value Charts members that are still holding on to bond shorts or holding on to longs in ETFs, inverse ETFs. They're working really well also. So that's all I have for you for today. Have a great weekend, and until next time, happy trading.